Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth Sudoku, a binary puzzle. And this one will be a number 1, 2, 9, 8. Yes, 9, 8. Wow, 9, 8. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there's always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double one, here and O, then O, 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 between two O's comes in one, double one, here and O, then O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty blocks, there's always a 1 and an O. So 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Alright. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two O's comes in 1, double one, here and O, there and O. Between two O's comes in 1. Look, and 1 and an O. Always a 1 and an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty blocks. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And then I can, oh yeah, here. Between two O's comes in 1. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. If I place the fourth one here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed 3 O's in a row. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, yeah. And then, between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One. No. Can we compare? I do not think so. But almost. Let me see. Double one. This one is different. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Am I stuck? 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3. No. 2, 1, 2. Then I need to 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Yeah. This row and that row almost the same. 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. Empty box 0 0. So I need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O here. This should be a 1. 1 2 3 4 4 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O. 4 O's. So the rest are Double 1 here and O, there and O. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then 2 columns left. I think I need to compare. Yeah, 101. Oh, 1, 11, 01. Not the same. How about not the same. 010 then. 010. Do we have 010? Yes. This one, this row, and this row again. 001100 empty box 001111. So I need to switch these two numbers. We have a O and a 1, so we have a 1 and a O, so this should be an O and a 1. All right, 1 2 3 4 4 1, so the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1 2 3 4. Yes, finish in 6 minutes. All right, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku 8 tectonic one. See you later. Bye bye for now.